Okay, so I'm just going to make some glue that you can use with your paints to make your paints last a little bit longer. So what I've done is I've put 2 tablespoons of corn flour into this bowl here, and I've just got a little bit of water and enough to make it into a paste, just so it's nice and watery. Okay, but it's all mixed together. So then I've boiled my kettle. I'll just reboil it again, make sure it's hot enough. And we add, and then we just keep stirring. Mix it. And you can see just how thick that it's gone so quickly. It looks like a nice, smooth, thick paste. So you can see it's nice and thick. If you let that cool down, you can then add that into your paints. So if you're using your thick poster paints, you can put majority into your cup with this glue, and then just put, say, a tablespoon of the paint and mix it through. It will make your paints last a lot longer, and it's nothing that can hurt the children because it is made from corn flour.